Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you through the complete setup of the TP-Link Archer AC1900 router step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or upgrading your home network, this easy tutorial will help you get connected quickly and smoothly. Let's get started. Turn off the modem and remove the backup battery if it has one. Connect the modem to the router's WAN port with an Ethernet cable. Turn on the modem, and then wait about 2 minutes for it to restart. Connect the power adapter to the router and turn on the router. Verify that the following LEDs are on and solid to confirm the hardware is connected. Connect your computer to the router. Method 1. Wired. Turn off the Wi-Fi on your computer and connect your computer to the router's LAN port as shown below. Method 2. Wirelessly find the SSID, network name, and wireless password printed on the label at the bottom of the router. Click the network icon of your computer or go to Wi-Fi settings of your smart device, and then select the SSID to join the network. Method 3. Use the WPS button. Wireless devices that support WPS, including Android phones, tablets, and most USB network cards, can be connected to your router through this method. Tab the WPS icon on the device's screen. Here we take an Android phone for instance. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. With a web-based utility, it is easy to configure and manage the router. The web-based utility can be used on any Windows, Mac OS, or Unix OS with a web browser, such as Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Apple Safari. Follow the steps below to log into your router. Set up the TCP/IP protocol. Obtain an IP address automatically mode on your computer. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and create a login password for secure management purposes. Then click Let's Get Started to log in. Use Quick Setup Wizard. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with the password you set for the router. Follow the step-by-step instructions to complete Quick Setup configuration or go to Advanced. Quick Setup. Then follow the step-by-step instructions to connect your router to the Internet. To enjoy a more complete service from TP-Link, remote management, TP-Link DDNS and more, log in with your TP-Link ID or click instructions to bind the cloud router to your TP-Link ID. For configuration to connect your router to the Internet. Quick Setup via TP-Link Tether app. Launch the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search. Simply scan the QR code to download and install the app. Connect your device to the router's wireless network. Launch the Tether app, tap the steps to complete the setup and connect to the Internet. Connect your devices to the newly configured wireless networks of the router and enjoy the Internet. Manually set up your Internet connection. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Go to Internet or go to select your Internet connection type from the drop-down list. Follow the instructions on the page to continue the configuration. Parameters on the figures are just used for demonstration. If you choose dynamic IP, users are usually equipped with a cable TV or fiber cable. Or button and select Advanced Network Dynamic IP, you need to select whether to clone the MAC address. If you choose static IP, enter the information provided by your ISP in the corresponding fields. If you choose PPPoE, enter the PPPoE. Users usually have DSL cable modems. Static IP, enter the information provided by your ISP in the username. Set up Internet connection and password provided by your ISP. If you choose PPTP, enter the username and password, and choose the secondary connection provided by your ISP. Different parameters are needed according to the secondary connection you have chosen. Click Save. Set up the router as an access point. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Go to Advanced. Will reboot and switch to access point mode. After rebooting, connect the router to your existing wired router via an Ethernet cable. Log in again to the web management page http://tplinkwifi.net and go to Quick Setup. Configure your wireless settings and click Next. Confirm the information and click Save. Now, you can enjoy Wi-Fi. If you're unable to set up your TP-Link Archer AC1900 router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching. Share, like and subscribe.